Well, good day everyone. Another fine day. Another fine episode on the Koru tube. I did make a video of this like last week, and I screwed up horribly. I cut my finger opening the cap here on this jagged piece of plastic, which is awesome. And then my phone died halfway through, so it deleted the video, which was even better. But as you can see, pretty low. So I already put some mystery oil in last week. So if I put some more in this week, a good majority is going to be just Marvel mystery oil. And sometimes that's good, sometimes that's bad. But it's winter, so not too worried. It's good stuff. Been using it a long time. And put in everything. Gas tank, oil, transmission, power steering. Yeah, I could use it as coolant if I could. Give it a second to get down there. Check again. Looking better, looking better. Let's give her a nice wipe on my cream jeans. And alright. Just a little more. Actually, I don't have any more oil right now. I only have what was sitting in my Acura, which is my royal purple, so a little bit of that in there too. Oh yeah. Is my funnel amazing? It is very slow. Very thick. Not the best thing to be putting in a vehicle that kind of goes through like a liter of oil a week. Very expensive. But what are you gonna do? Okay, I bent my dipstick. I hate doing things with one hand. It's good though, it's good. It's good. So that's done there. And you go there. Cap goes back on so I don't cut my finger again. Can you see it? Can you see it? No. Yeah, I know, it's mostly healed. Okay. Oh. Woohoo. Woohoo. Okay. Okay. So, as you can hear, it's not blowing up. Marvel is not as dangerous as people think. Maybe it plugs your cats and wrecks stuff, but I have yet for anything to happen. And this is going on about at least a year now. I do have a hood prop holder thing. It's broken. I have one, brand new, that I need to install, which I'll do soon. It'll just make for another video. And I left my oil cap under the hood. Okay. One sec. There it is. And yeah, that's our Marvel minute. Car's good to go until I need to put more in next week. We'll catch you later.